What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and that's the channel where I'm showcasing different fine dining culinary techniques, talking about molecular but not only ingredients, and giving some chefy tips on the preparation of delicious, basic comfort foods. So if you haven't done it already, subscribe now. Right now we're deep into the Easter season. The Catholic Easter has already passed and the Orthodox one is coming shortly. So what we decided to do here, we decided to make a little Easter egg hunt on this channel. So pay attention closely to what I'm saying and showing, and if you find an egg, which you should, let me know in the comments below. So what are we going to do today in this video? We're going to make a vegetarian, easily to be made a vegan dish if you substitute a few ingredients. It's going to be a fine dining dish, which is inspired by the Soviet/Ukrainian culinary creation, commonly known as Cutlet Kiev, a.k.a. Котлета по-киевски, which is basically a chicken breast flattened out and stuffed with butter and formed in the form of cutlet, which, if you think about it, is quite a French technique. But of course, we're not going to use any chicken or butter. Instead, we're going to use an eggplant and stuff it with Greek yogurt mixed with some Mediterranean/Middle Eastern spices. So that's basically the essence of this dish, but there is more to it, of course. So you will see what I mean if you watch until the end. So first things first, we're going to make our stuffing. And for that, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to use Greek yogurt and mix it together with olive oil and salt and some toasted, very importantly, spices to accentuate all the aromatics from our spice mix. And then we're going to wrap it up in the plastic wrap, forming a little bowl, and then freeze it. Now that the core of our dish is getting frozen, what are we going to do now? We're going to move on to the eggplant part of the recipe. And for that, we're going to use an actual eggplant, obviously, which we're going to peel and cut the flesh into small pieces and then quickly saute it on a pan together with a little bit of oil, salt, and a little bit of cornstarch, which is going to help us bind all the pieces together when we form another artificial eggplant from the real eggplant. In the likely event that you don't have an egg mold shape, which even me personally still don't have, despite all the egg creations that I've created on this channel, I'm going to show you a little trick or culinary technique, which is quite often actually used in the patisserie. We're going to make the shape that we desire from the shape that we can actually make using the tools that are at our hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these two measuring cups, which are quite often used in bars as well. I'm going to stuff them with my ingredients and then form a shape like that and get it frozen. And once it's frozen, I'm going to carve the shape that I want using this rasp. to this point in the video, everything was planned and expected. But because I feel a little bit adventurous today, I want to try something new. Of course, we're not going to leave our eggplant naked. We're going to dress it up with some breadcrumbs, which is the typical look of the Cutlet Kiev as well. And I was thinking, since the eggplant is purple, why not make some purple breadcrumbs? But I have some doubts about that because of the deep frying process, but I still want to make it. So I'm going to make some purple breadcrumbs and I'm going to make some dark breadcrumbs, which will still look amazing, hopefully. So you will see at the end which ones will look better. Okay guys, thank you for watching this experimental egg hunt video. I hope by now you found an egg. If you did like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and I'll see you in the next video.